So prove that. What is the question? The question is sin A plus sin 2A sin 3A plus sin 4A by cos A plus cos 2A minus cos 3A minus cos 4A is equal to cot A. So here take that LHS, that is, what is the LHS? Sin A plus sin 2A plus sin 3A plus sin 4A by cos A plus cos 2A minus cos 3A minus cos 4A. So first it can be written in order, that is sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 2A plus sin 4A by cos A minus cos 3A plus of cos 2A minus cos 4A. Taken as this is one. Because for convenient to write a formula, just we writing as a sin A plus sin 3A and sin 2A plus sin 4A. Similarly, cos A minus cos 3A, cos 2A minus cos 4A. So here there are, what are the terms are included? The terms are sin A plus sin 3A, sin 2A plus sin 4A, cos A minus cos 3A, cos 2A minus cos 4A. We find that, that is, find sin A plus sin 3A. This is the first one. Second one, sin 2A plus sin 4A. And third one, cos A minus cos 3A. And fourth one, cos 2A minus cos 4A. So therefore, so for first one, that is sin A plus sin 3A. So compare this is the first one, sin C plus sin D. So what is the C here? C is nothing but A and D nothing but 3A. That is, C value is equal to A and D value equal to 3A. So write as a formula, that is sin C plus sin D. What is the formula for sin C plus sin D? So 2 sin of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. So therefore this is nothing but 2 sin of C plus D, A plus 3A by 2 cos of A minus 3A by 2. This is nothing but 2 sin of 4A by 2 cos of minus 2A by 2. And this is nothing but 2 sin of 4, there is nothing but 4 by 2 is nothing but 2, and this is nothing but a cos of minus A. And we know that cos of minus theta, that is cos of minus theta is nothing but a cos theta. So therefore it can be written as 2 sin 2A cos A. So taken as 2. And next, what is the next value? that is sine per second part, sine 2a plus sine 4a, sine 2a plus sine 4a. So compare sin c plus sin d. What is the c value? C value equal to 2a and d value equal to 4a. So therefore the original formula, what is the formula? Sin c plus sin d, that is nothing but 2 sin of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. So therefore it is nothing but a 2 sin of c plus d by 2, that is sin of, what is the c value? C value equal to 2a and d value equal to 4a by 2, and cos of 2a minus 4a by 2. So we get that 2 sin of 6a, 2a plus 6, that is 6a by 2 cos of minus 2a by 2. So we get that 2 sin of 3a and cos of minus a. And what is, we know that cos of minus theta is nothing but a cos theta. So we get that 2 sin 3a cos a taken as 3. And next what is the next value? That is cos a for part 3, that is for 3, cos a minus cos 3a, cos a minus cos 3a. So compare cos c minus cos d. So what is the c value? C value is equal to a and d value equal to 3a. So what is the formula for cos c minus cos d? That is nothing but what is the original formula? That is 2 sin of c plus d by 2 sin of d minus c by 2. Substitute c and d. Substitute c and d. So we get that 2 sin of c plus d, that is a plus 3a by 2 sin of 3a minus a by 2. So we get that 2 sin of a plus 3a, that is 4a by 2 sin of 3a minus a, that is nothing but 2a by 2. So we get that 2 sin 2a sin a. This is nothing but 4. And next for part 4, cos 2a minus cos 4a. Compare cos c minus cos d. What is c value? The c equal to 2a and d equal to 4a. So therefore what is the formula? Cos c minus cos d, that is equal to 2 sin of c plus d by 2 sin of d minus c by 2. So we get that 2 sin of, substitute the c and d, substitute c and d. C 2a plus 4a by 2 sin of 4a minus 2a by 2. So we get that 2 sin of 6a by 2 sin of 2a by 2. 2 sin of 6 by 2, 6 by 2 is nothing but 3 sin 3a, and this is nothing but 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 sin 4a. This is a fine. So finally substitute 2, 3, 4 and 5 in 1. So what is the one? The one is sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 2A plus sin 4A by cos A minus cos 3A plus cos 2A minus cos 4A. So what we get here? So this is nothing but that is equal to two sin 2A cos A, and this part is equal to 2 sin 3A cos A by, and this part is equal to 2 sin 2A cos A and this part is equal to 2 sin 3A sin A. So here we take that 2 as a common from this, and cos A is a common from 2 cos A is a common from numerator, and this is nothing but a sin so 2 cos A common as 2 cos A from numerator, and 2 sin A from denominator. So we get that 2 cos A into, that is sin 2A plus sin 3A by 2 sin A into, we get that sin 2A plus sin 3A. Sin 2A plus sin 3A will be cancelled, and 2 will be cancelled, and we get that, what we get that cos A by sin A. So cos by sin, what is nothing but a cos by sin? Cos by sin nothing but a cot A. So which it is equal to RHS. So here what we prove that? We prove that the question is sin A plus sin 2A plus sin 3A plus sin 4A by cos A plus cos 2A minus cos 3A minus cos 4A is equal to cot A. So first this will be taken as LHS, and for our convenient we have to take that it can be written in order sin A plus sin 3A, because we need that there in the formula we have by 2. For our convenience it can be written in order sin A plus sin 3A, and similarly sin 2A plus sin 4A, by cos A minus cos 3A plus cos 2A minus cos 4A. This is taken as a 1. And we have to find that sin A plus sin 3A, sin 2A plus sin 4A, cos A minus cos 3A, cos 2A minus cos 4A. For that sin A plus sin 3A, and we compare that sin C plus sin D, the C equal to A and D equal to 3A, and the formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, and we substitute the C and D and we simplify, we get that 2 sin 2A cos C. And similarly for second part sin 2A plus sin 4A, and we get the solution is 2 sin 3A cos C. And next for third part cos A minus cos 3A, what is the solution? The solution is 2 sin 2A sin A. For the fourth part cos 2A minus cos 4A, and the solution is 2 sin 3A sin A. Substitute that 2, 3, 4, 5 in 1. What is the 1? This is the equation number 1. We substitute the all values, and here the 2 cos A will be common from numerator, 2 sin A from denominator. And these terms will be cancelled, sin 2A plus sin 3A will be cancelled and 2 will be cancelled. And finally we get that cos by sin. Cos by sin, what is the value of cos by sin? Cos by sin nothing but cot.